Uh-oh, that's not good. Now my printer's blinking at me angrily. So there I was, printing away at a blast gate when I got a fault. And as you can see, the problem is that the spool has come apart. The first thing I tried to do was just shove it back together, but that doesn't work because the filament's kind of moved out and made itself wider. I realized that the correct thing to do with this is then to find another spool and just transfer all of this filament from one spool to the other. But that seems like hard work to me. And rather than hard work, let's see if I can come up with a half-assed solution for it.
Now these Bambu Lab spools are held together with sort of interlocking tabs, and obviously being plastic, once you've used them a few times, they tend to start wearing out. Once these get a bit worn, it's probably a good idea to start clamping these spools together prophylactically.
And my half-assed solution was to model up these screw together hub parts in Onshape, print a pair out, they should plop straight in. And with this, I'm hoping I can clamp it together well enough to at least use up the rest of this roll of material. Now if this works, I'll upload this design to the Thingiverse, and you can download it from there if you like. Well, it did need a little bit of help with feeding sometimes, especially retraction. Well, that printed fine, and so far the spool's feeding nicely. Now I'm sure it's going to jam up at some stage because I'm pretty sure I've got filament jammed between the core and the side piece, but it's certainly an improvement. Got things working again for now. I might even consider printing a few more of these clamps so that I can use them prophylactically on spools which are getting a bit tired. Thanks for watching.